Arrive in style with this Dodge 2019 Challenger RT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include quick order package 28H RT, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, GPS antenna input, media hub, 2 USB-O, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4 with 7 display and air conditioning. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.